Welcome to the lecture 7 of Unit 3 Context Free Grammar, and today we are going to look at some new languages, say a raised to power n, b raised to power m, c raised to power n comma m is greater than equal to 0, and it is similar to a raised to power I, b raised to power j, c raised to power k, where I equal to k, and we have not considered this case earlier. We have designed the grammar for I equal to j or j equal to k, but I equal to k is missing, and it is missed intensely because it is very special. We have to match the corners here, and we have to put something at the center to make the string of b's, and it is b closure because m is greater than equal to 0. So we have to make b closure at the center. First we have to match a with c, and we have to put something at the center. To match a with c, we have to use the production asc. It will match a with c, and at the center this s will be replaced by something to drive these string. So we will replace this s by x at the center, and x is used to drive b closure. So it is okay, and there is something special about this grammar. We can use this production directly to drive epsilon. We can use this production directly to drive b. We can use this production s tends to x to drive b star, and it is allowed in this language because n can be 0, and because condition for n is greater than equal to 0, so n can be 0. So we can have a string only made of b also, and whenever we have to drive other strings, suppose I have to drive a b c c, so here we have to drive a b c c. So to match a b c, we have to use asc first, then replace this sy asc again, and then replace this s by x, then replace this x by bx, then replace this x by epsilon. You will get a b c c. Now move to the another variant of similar language, an bm cn, and n comma m is greater than equal to 1. So here condition of n and m is greater than equal to 1, so there must be 1a, 1b, 1c. A is matched with c, and b is b positive closure. So to match a with c, we have to use the production asc first, and we have to put something in the center, that is x, and x is used to drive b positive closure. But this grammar is not correct or not complete now, because we are not supposed to use this production directly, because this is used to drive b, this can be used to drive double b, but we are not supposed to have these string in this language because n is also greater than equal to 1. There must be 1a, 1c here around b. So this x is s tends to x cannot be used directly. So what we need to do, we have to make sure there is 1a or 1c here, 1a here, 1c here, when we are going to drive strings of b. So we have to put 1a and 1c here, then this grammar is correct and it is complete. We can drive, suppose we have to drive string a b b b c c. So we have to use first we have to match a with c. So first we have to use the production asc. Now instead of using asc again, now we can use s tends to axc, because x already had 1a and 1c around. So now replace this x by bx, then replace this x by bx again, Now at last replace this x by b, you will get the desired string. It is time to move to some special language. S tends to some special language. L is equal to WWR. W belong to A plus B closure, and it is also known as even palindrome. In this language, string will be epsilon. Epsilon is can even palindrome. It is even palindrome. It means that we have to read from the left side or right side. String will be same, because whatever is W here and here is the reverse of W. So string will be same from both side. So epsilon is here. AA will be in the language. BB will be in language. AA, AB, BA, BA, AB, BB, BB, and so on. And if you look this these strings carefully, so it will be seems as WWR. If it is W, AB, it is reverse of AB. It means BA. So it is W, it is WR. And when we put this combination, string will be always of even length. It is palindrome and length is always even, because if it is 2, it is 2. 2 plus 2 is even. If it is 3, suppose, then it will be also 3. Suppose it is like AB, it is BA. So in the combination of WWR, string will be always of even length. It is just like 2 multiply by length of W. It is always even. So in this language, suppose we have a string A, B, A, B, B, A, B, A. It is W, it is WR. There is some special pattern. If you look carefully here, the same string will appear here also. If you look here, same alphabet will appear both side. Here A, here is also A, here B, here is A. So this A will be matched with this A, this B will be matched with this B. This A will be matched with this A, and this B will be matched with this B. So A in the left will be matched with A in the right. B in the left will be matched with B in the right. So grammar will be as S tends to ASA, to match A with A, B with B, BSB, or epsilon. With this production, you can derive all strings of this particular language. So move to the other variant of palindrome. L is equal to odd palindrome. Odd palindrome have strings, those are palindrome and having odd length. So these strings are even length, and in odd palindrome we have odd length strings as A, B, A, B, A, 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 B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, A, B, 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 A, A, B, A, 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 B, or so on. So in these strings, so A, B, A, B, B, A, B, 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 B. In these string there is something common. What is common? Here also here also we have to match the corners. Suppose we have A, B, A, B, A. Here also we have to match the corner A with A, B with B. But there is always a string that make it odd at the center, either A or B. Suppose here we have to match B with B, A with A, but there is a at center. Suppose here we have to match A with A, B with B is at the center. Here there is always one A or B at the center that is single, and that is making it odd. So this grammar will be made as S tends to ASA to match A with A, BSB to match B with B, but at the center there will be always A to be placed, and or there will be always a B. So these all string A, B. Suppose I have to drive B, A, B. It is a palindrome of odd length. So how can we drive? First we use BASB, then replace this SY, ASB, ASA, then replace this SY, A. So it is odd palindrome. So what will be the grammar for the general palindrome or general palindrome, or just say palindrome? It means that a palindrome that can be even or odd also. So there is no restriction whether it is even or odd. It is a palindrome. So grammar will be to match A with A, B with B to make it palindrome. If we will put A at the center, it will be odd. If we will put B at the center, it will be odd. Or we will put epsilon at the center, it will be even. So all combination of even palindrome or odd palindrome make it general palindrome. So at last language we have some special language, that is equal. Equal is not equal to, it is differ from A and Bn. Why it is differ from A and Bn? Because A and Bn, A's are equal to in count of B's, but they are there is a restriction. A's come always before B's, but in equal A can be anywhere, B can be anywhere, and it should be equal in count. There is no restriction that A should come before B's. So in equal there is always a, for every A there is a B, there is B, and for every B there is a in the grammar, A in the language. So how can we maintain that there for every A there is a B, and for every B there is a, for every A there is B, for every B there is A, and these places can be filled by something that is already equal or of same type. So replace this as y, this places by s. So whenever we put something here, that will be of same type. It always have 1A or 1B or 1A. So this will make strings always equal. Okay.